Fruits name in English: apple, banana, orange, papaya, coconut, pineapple, pomegranate, pear, lemon, guava, plum, tamarind, sapodilla, blueberry, dragon fruit, peach, date, lychee, jujube, apricot, cherry, mango, strawberry, sweet lime, gooseberry, fig, avocado, jackfruit, kiwi, durian, mangosteen, passion fruit, rambutan, star fruit, pomelo, breadfruit, persimmon, Cape gooseberry, noni fruit, olive, longan, mulberry, grapes, sugarcane, muskmelon, blackberry, raspberry, custard apple, rose apple, cranberry, grapefruit, cantaloupe, honeydew melon, peach, tangerine, soursop, kumquat, bilberry, black currant, red currant, sea buckthorn, rosehip, kaffir lime, santal, acai berry, damson plum, mamey, watermelon, jamun fruit, mulberry, prickly pear, cashew apple, star apple, quince, honeyberry, kupuaku, finger lime, egg fruit, feijoa, cucamelon, black sapot, barrel cactus, banana passion fruit, acacia, ackee, hala fruit, salak, Buddha's hand, pulasan, kiwano, cherry, pomegranate, egg fruit, sapodilla, araza,